Congratulations, Alex Rao, for joining Amplify AI Workshop. Alex Rao, as a member of Amplify AI Workshop, here's what you will have access to. Live AI Training Workshop Classroom. How to produce custom talking videos for yourself, friends, family, or business associates that you can sell for profit. How to make AI work for any business or any of your money-making opportunities. How to request free welcome videos for your new members you recruit. How to get a discount Amplify AI Workshop subscription. How to get a free HEYGEN AI video production account. How to earn money referring others to our AI workshop. How to use AI for all your investment decisions. How to build real applications using vibe coding. How to check and contact your downline. What is the best text-to-speech software? Artificial intelligence, YouTube tutorials and resources. How to boost your AI prompting. How to check your downline. How to get free advertising. How to get free AI tools. How to spot AI scams. Artificial intelligence tips and tricks, and more. If you would like to have me create a free AI talking video for any occasion for your friends, family, or business associates, maybe like this one, go to harveysilverfox.com and request a free custom one. Questions? Find my chat and ask away. Harvey out.